Welcome back to the Autocrafters, your go-to destination for in-depth car reviews where we don't just scratch the surface, we dive deep into the design, performance and innovations shaping the next generation of automobiles. Today we're taking a closer look at a vehicle that has become a household name for adventure, practicality and rugged capability, the Subaru Outback. But this isn't just any Outback, this is the all-new 2025 Subaru Outback Hybrid, a model that signals a major step forward for Subaru as it embraces the electrified future while staying true to its outdoorsy roots. So buckle up, because in this review we're going to cover everything you need to know about the 2025 Outback Hybrid, its performance aspects, its design evolution, the cutting-edge technology inside, and the unique selling points that make it stand out not only within Subaru's lineup but also in the increasingly competitive hybrid crossover and wagon segment. The Subaru Outback has always occupied a special place in the automotive world. Since its debut in the mid-1990s, it has blurred the line between wagons and SUVs. It offered the practicality of a wagon, the ground clearance of an SUV, and Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive system, all wrapped in a package that appealed to both suburban families and rugged adventurers. Fast forward to 2025 and the Outback Hybrid builds on that legacy. Subaru understands that today's buyers demand efficiency without compromising capability. And that's exactly where this new Outback comes in. By combining a hybrid powertrain with the Outback's established versatility, Subaru aims to deliver the best of both worlds: improved fuel economy and reduced emissions alongside the rugged durability and off-road readiness people love. At the front you'll notice a revised grille with a slightly more aerodynamic shape, flanked by slimmer LED headlights that feature Subaru's signature C-clamp daytime running light design. Hybrid-specific badging and blue accents give a visual cue that this is something new, while functional air vents help with cooling efficiency. The side profile remains classic Outback: long roofline, pronounced wheel arches and durable cladding. Roof rails are standard, of course, because an Outback wouldn't be an Outback without its gear hauling capability. Depending on the trim, you can choose between 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels with aerodynamic patterns designed to reduce drag. At the rear, LED taillights stretch into the tailgate, and a subtle hybrid badge reminds you this isn't just a regular Outback. The overall look is modern yet familiar. Subaru knows not to mess too much with a formula that works. And importantly, the Outback Hybrid still delivers the practicality of a wagon with a wide opening tailgate and generous cargo space. The hybrid battery is cleverly packaged under the rear seats, so cargo capacity is virtually unchanged compared to the gasoline model. Step inside and the Outback Hybrid continues to impress. Subaru has created an interior that blends rugged durability with premium comfort. Soft touch materials line the dashboard and doors, while high-quality stitching adds an upscale feel. Available trims offer leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, and even a heated steering wheel, perfect for cold weather adventurers. At the center of the dash is Subaru's latest 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen infotainment system, which runs the updated Subaru Starlink interface. It's crisp, intuitive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Physical buttons remain for climate control, which is a thoughtful touch for ease of use on the go. The digital instrument cluster is customizable, displaying everything from traditional speed and RPM to hybrid-specific data like battery charge levels, energy flow, and real-time fuel economy. Passenger space is generous with plenty of legroom in both rows. The Outback's long wheelbase ensures rear seat passengers aren't cramped, and wide-opening rear doors make entry and exit simple. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with light, enhancing the open-air feeling. Cargo space is a highlight, with over 32 cubic feet behind the second row and more than 75 cubic feet with the seats folded. Subaru has ensured that hybrid packaging doesn't compromise one of the Outback's strongest selling points. Under the hood, because for many buyers performance is the deciding factor when considering a hybrid. The 2025 Subaru Outback Hybrid features a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder boxer engine paired with Subaru's latest generation hybrid system. This system integrates an electric motor and a lithium-ion battery pack to deliver a balance of efficiency and performance. Combined output is estimated around 220 horsepower and 240 lb-ft of torque, a healthy improvement over the base gasoline Outback. Power delivery is managed through a continuously variable transmission optimized to handle the additional torque from the electric motor. What's notable here is how Subaru has tuned the system to maintain a natural driving feel. Unlike some hybrids that can feel disconnected or rubber band, like the Outback Hybrid delivers smooth acceleration with linear response. The hybrid system also allows for limited all-electric driving at low speeds, perfect for city commutes or short errands where zero emissions are most beneficial. On the highway, the hybrid system seamlessly blends engine and motor power for stronger passing capability and effortless cruising. Fuel economy is expected to hover around 38 miles per gallon combined, which represents a substantial gain compared to the standard Outback's mid-20s mpg range. For a vehicle this size and capability, that's a game changer. And of course we can't talk about a Subaru without mentioning all-wheel drive. The Outback Hybrid continues Subaru's tradition of standard symmetrical AWD, ensuring confidence whether you're driving on slick pavement, gravel backroads or snow-packed trails. The hybrid system has been carefully engineered to integrate with the AWD system, ensuring there's no compromise in capability. For off-road enthusiasts, the 2025 Outback Hybrid is equipped with X mode, which optimizes throttle response, torque distribution and braking for low traction conditions. Ground clearance remains a generous 8.7 inches, making it one of the most capable hybrids for outdoor adventures. The 2025 Subaru Outback Hybrid is more than just a hybrid version of a popular model. It represents Subaru's commitment to evolving with the times while staying true to its adventurous DNA. It delivers efficiency without compromise, capability without sacrifice, and design that feels both fresh and familiar. For buyers who want a hybrid but refuse to give up the versatility and go anywhere spirit of an Outback, this is the vehicle they've been waiting for. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Subaru Outback Hybrid. What do you think of Subaru's new direction? Does this hybrid strike the right balance between efficiency and adventure for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Autocrafters for more in-depth automotive content, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, drive safe, explore boldly, and as always,